In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a perfect SOP in Notion, so you never have to explain things twice. Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to build a perfect SOP in Notion, so you never have to explain things twice. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable process document that your team can follow without pinging you for details. First, open Notion by going to Notion, and log in. You can do this in your browser or the desktop app. The experience is the same. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct workspace so your SOP lives where your team expects to find it. Next, create a new page. In the sidebar, click New Page. This gives you a blank canvas with all the powerful Notion building blocks ready to go. Think of this page as the home for your process. Give your SOP a clear, descriptive title. For example, Client onboarding process works great because it tells people exactly what they'll find inside. Keep titles consistent across your team so SOPs are easy to scan and search. Now, add structure with headings. Type /H1, H2, or H3 to create main sections and subsections. A simple layout might include purpose, roles, tasks, and resources. If you want a section that lists all steps at a glance, add a tasks heading using /H2 and place your task lists underneath it. Headings make long SOPs scannable and help teammates jump to what they need. Under each section, add the detailed steps. Use numbered lists by typing 1 and a period for sequential instructions, or use the to-do checkbox by typing /to-do if you want people to mark items complete as they work. Write each step as a clear action, keep sentences short, and include who is responsible if that matters for your process. Include resources right where they're needed. Use /embed or /file to add links, PDFs, slides, images, or screenshots. This saves time because readers don't have to hunt for context. You can paste a link and choose to embed it, or drop a file directly onto the page. If you repeat parts of this SOP frequently, add templates. Use the template button by typing /template to create a reusable section with pre-filled steps. This is perfect for recurring checklists or handoff blocks that your team uses over and over. Finally, share your SOP with your team. Click Share, then toggle Share to Workspace or invite specific team members by name. Choose whether they can view or edit so the right people maintain the document. And that's how you build a perfect SOP in Notion. Quick, organized, and easy to share. Like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.